Welcome to your computer application class, class 7. In this part of the video, we will continue your topic formatting worksheet and adding simple formula in MS Excel. Let's learn about formula. Open your books. Formula. Formula is a sequence of values, cell reference, name of functions or operators that produces a new value from existing value. Formula are used to perform various calculations such as addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. In mathematics, when you write formula, you write down the values and operators followed by equal to sign, such as 2 plus 2 equal to. But in Excel, formula begins with an equal to sign, such as, now see here, equal to 2 plus 2. Excel immediately recognizes any subsequent data as a formula when it begins with an equal to sign. It indicates that whenever you are using equal to sign, Excel automatically understood that you are going to use a formula. Next we have cell referencing. Every cell in a worksheet has a unique address called cell reference. By default, cells are identified by a specific column, letter and row number. So, cell A5 identifies the first cell down in column A, while entering formula, use cell reference instead of actual data wherever possible. For example, enter formula equal to A1 plus A2 instead of equal to 10 plus 20. Next we have operators. A formula contains one or more operators. Operators are plus, minus, multiplication and so on. And operators specify the type of calculation you can or you want to perform on MS Excel worksheet. Now let's understand how to create a formula with the help of computer. I hope you are ready with your computer system. Let's learn how to perform common calculation on worksheet. For performing common calculation on worksheet quickly, you can use auto sum function. For doing so, you have to perform the following steps. First, click on the Home tab and then click on the Auto Sum option to display a list of common calculation. Click on the calculation you want to perform. Then press the Enter key like this. And afterwards, keep the mouse pointer on the edge of the cell and then drag it. Now see, rest of the cells total automatically appear in your desired cell. This is a way to perform addition function or adding in your MS Excel worksheet. Thank you.